Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. You have just found the needle in the haystack. Stick around, let me tell you about this thing. This is our 2017 Toyota Rav4. This is a one-owner vehicle out of West Virginia. It's very well maintained. This thing is very clean. It was garage kept. This thing has less than 26,000 miles. That's right, less than 26,000 miles. This thing is not even broke in. It is the XLE package, which is an upgrade. It's very nice. You get your fog lights there. You do get your premium alloy wheels. You do get the light integration in your mirrors there, very nice. Luggage rack and sunroof. Of course, the tinted windows is very nice. You do get the rear deck lid spoiler, which gives it a really sporty look. Of course, this is all-wheel drive. Be cautious when you're looking at these because there is a lot of front-wheel drive out there. This one is all-wheel drive. This one has your remote tailgate here, just with the push of a button you can open that. That is super convenient if you're walking out to your car from the grocery store. You can just hit that button and open it right up. Now you can see that the Rav4 is going to give you a ton of cargo space, just a ton of cargo space here. The seats do fold in a 60-40 split folding rear seat, which is going to give you a ton of room. Make sure you go to citymotors.net and check out our full pictorial of the complete seat configuration there. Again, this one to close, just push the button and the lift gate shuts there automatically. Now coming back here, you see that the Rav4 is going to give you a ton of space to comfortably fit, very comfortably fit 3 passengers. You do get a folding armrest in the center there, and the rear seat will recline for the comfort of your rear passengers. Those tinted windows make it very nice back here and keeps everyone nice. Coming up front here, we're going to have, of course, all of our power options, high adjustable seats, side impact airbags on both sides, and keep in mind that the Rav is going to give you an overall safety rating of 5 stars, which is awesome. You're going to get your lane departure and assist warnings there. That's going to alert you if you get out of your lane, and it's going to assist you to get back into your lane, and you can turn that off if you want. If you leave it on, it's a great way to make sure you stay in your lane. Locking rear differential, that's going to be great for deep snow. Outside of that, you do get your all-wheel drive, which is great for any kind of weather. Power liftgate operation there. Bluetooth, which is super important because in the state of Virginia, like many other states, it is a hands-free law, which means put the phone down or you're going to get in trouble. Duplicate audio controls, so you can control your radio without taking your hand off of the wheel or eyes off of the road. You do have your gap button there. This is dynamic cruise control. What that's going to do is space the car out in front of you, and it's going to pace that vehicle so you can use your cruise control. If you come up on somebody that's a little bit slower than you, it's going to slow down automatically. When that car leaves the lane and you have an open road, it's going to pick up the speed. Awesome feature. I absolutely love that. That's one of the best features I think you can have in a car these days. Premium audio with navigation and of course Bluetooth again. You do have dual climate control. You have eco mode and sport mode. Automatic transmission and oversized center console there, and of course your sunroof. Again, the Rav4 is one of the most trusted SUVs on the planet. It is extremely reliable. It is very efficient. You're looking at 28 miles per gallon in this thing. That is phenomenal for an all-wheel drive SUV with this much room. Now this one does have your accident avoidance systems on it, which is going to assist you with braking should something come out in front of you. Very good feature. Again, loaded up with awesome features, super low miles, awesome history, very well maintained. Again, one owner, super low miles. It is so hard to find one like this for under $30,000, and here it is. And now at City Motors, We do not have any processing fees. That's zero processing fees here at City Motors. Don't play the fee game, because there's a lot of them playing ridiculous fee games right now with inventory the way it is. Do not play the fee game. No fees here. You can call us at 540-433-7335. Text us at that number 24/7, but I'm telling you, do it quick. These things are impossible to find right now. Don't miss this one. This is the needle in the haystack. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.